today we're going to be doing a double unboxing. Here we go. From Airspotters, double unboxing Darren Airplane models. So, if you haven't, check out my my model airport, and now probably after this video I'll probably do an airport update. I've changed it around a bit. It looks a bit bigger and nicer, so especially with these new aircrafts. Hopefully I've got enough room for them, but double unboxing should be fun. So let's get on with this. Box is so big, so I'll just get this big box out of the way. So from Airspotters, already I've unboxed them, so we'll just get rid of that box. Double unboxing. So we got the Delta, Airbus A350, and the Southwest Boeing 747. I think that's what I'm going to stick with, is the Boeing 747. That's what I imagine it is. So first I think we'll do the Delta and just move out the Southwest. We'll save my favourite till last. Really nice box. Really nice Airbus A350. Delta. A Delta aircraft taken off on a Delta with a new livery design. Delta Airbus A350. So if we just open the box, and here we go. And if we just get rid of this box now. Okay, so here is the aircraft. Oh, if we just get the lights. There we go. Focus. No, and I'm going to take it out. Better, Delta. Big aircraft, A350. We got winglets, 2 engines. Nice pattern on it, and Delta. Nice engines. Got a nice cockpit window too. Really nice design. We got the door operation as well, which I think this is a new aircraft to Darren, a new release, and they have put a lot of detail on them this time. Like with the doors and stuff, they never used to put stuff like that, but they've done more features and details, which are really nice. Delta, so really nice aircraft. Now, so if I just get the Southwest, we can review the box. My favourite aircraft not out of them all, but I'm just a fan of Southwest. And I've only known them for like a few years, and I know they're an American company. Really nice, nice box design. Got the aircraft. Nice detail as well. Yeah, we got nice detail and modern, but it's like a chunkier. If you remember my my JetBlue aircraft, a bit chunky like that. It's quite a chunky aircraft. So yeah, really nice box. So let's get it out of the box. My favourite aircraft. I'm trying to figure out well, first we'll just look at it first, but I'll tell you now anyway. So I'm trying to figure out what this is. So you've got like the fin, and then you've got this down by here, this like sticky out bit. I don't know what that is. United used to have them on these type of aircrafts United have. I've seen a picture of that, but if you do know what that is, just leave them in a comment in the comments down below. Now we'll just review the aircraft. So, I didn't do a back view on the Delta, but it don't matter. So we got a back view, side view, other side view, and front view. This will go really nice on my This will be really nice on my model airport. Stickers again. Windows, it's got some writing by here. Heart 1, Delta, and underneath it's got the heart from Delta. New livery design, because I was going to get the old livery, but I was like, oh no, we'll just wait. American flag and license on the back. Like that. If I just zoom in, there's my lamp. There we go. Doors as well. Engines, it says southwest.com. It's got the heart. Winglots, which Darren are putting on quite a lot now. Well, some of them, I'm not sure if this is a new aircraft. It looks like it's been out for quite a while. Let's just move that picture of my 2D aircraft for that. New desk if you haven't seen. Yeah, so really nice stabilizers on the back. 2 engines, 1 on each side. Short wings. But really nice aircraft. It's got to be my favourite out of the ones that I've got out of the Delta. This is like my favourite one. To be fair, all of my Boeings are my favourite because I am a fan of Boeing, but I don't mind Airbus, but Boeing, yeah, top. Really nice. Doors and windows, Heart 1 again. Really nice nose. It's quite like a stretched out one, a point one. Yeah, chunky. Front landing gear, plastic wheels, Darren wheel toys, and flaps on the wings. Really nice. Nice detail put into this. But actually, I've got something else to show you as well if I just flip the camera back around. So this will be the end of the unboxing, but I've got some more stuff to show you, but they're not aircrafts, but they're aircraft related stuff, so I'll just show you those. And say goodbye to the Southwest. And there we go. So I'll show you that stuff. I'm now collecting the Airliner World. So this is, I believe, is July 2019, the July edition, so next month. Good. I've got my favourite aircraft, Boeing 747. Yep. And it's just got, talking about Southwest. We got Southwest over there. We've got all of those sticky out things again, where the fins are. Yeah, so it's just got lots of information. I am reading it at the moment before the next one comes out. Well, I'm planning to read it all. Then I'll just put it into a little box, in like a box to keep them all safe. Came with a free poster, which my poster isn't on the wall yet, unfortunately, but that's good because I can try and show you half of it without me failing. Oh, look at this now. Got a nice frame to put it in, so like it don't get like damaged, because I thought in a frame it would have been nicer and wouldn't have ripped and stuff, so plus it looks better in a frame. I can't show you. It's got the Boeing 747, which thankfully you can see. It's got loads of other stuff, A380. It's to celebrate the 100th anniversary of British the 100th anniversary of British Airways. it will be small, but if I can show you real quick. Maybe small, but the picture of the poster is but there, and it's just got all of that, if you can see. Yeah, you can see at the top, British Airways 100th anniversary. So it's a free poster and it comes with it, so recommend getting it if you haven't got them, but maybe just buy one for like one and then just miss a month or so and just get another one. Yeah, so a really nice book. Just tells you information, and it's actually got I think it was a whole page which I'm reading at the moment. No, I've read past that. But the Heathrow Airport expansion, I think is expansion to make it bigger. But Heathrow's like surrounded in houses, and like the UK, United Kingdom is just packed. It's like a packed little island sort of thing, city, town, country. It's like a packed. It's just packed, and it just gives you airplane. And it gives you, and this magazine also gives you information. Really good. Nearly lost my page then. Got my bookmark. Yeah, so carry on reading that tonight. So do get if you haven't got, and plus you get a free poster, which most of you would probably like. So if you haven't, I recommend to get Airliner World. Thanks for watching, and see you in the see you in a few minutes now, and I'll be doing. I'll show you my model airport, but it hasn't got anything on it. It hasn't got any aircrafts. I think what I'll do is lay out all of my aircrafts and just review them all, like one by one. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.